want to put this? I can put, yeah, that's good. We're going to try to do a tank view here. We'll see if we can lift the lid. I'm not sure if that's the original flapper. Might not be. I thought the original, yeah, it looks like it might. I think it's original. 400A, 1.28, 4.8. Oh, there's a date there. Can I read it? Yeah. Seems, oh, is it? Looks like 2008, but, or is it 2009? Looks like 2009, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. Here we go. I don't know if this is original. Looks like a corner sink, so I could have also put it here too. Oh, it's going over. And it's set to fill right at the overflow too. No weird connection.